let's play a game. Alright, so if you saw one of the previous videos, we did a spotlight on stomach massage, which happens to be one of my most favorite exercises from the repertoire actually. In today's video, we're going to play a game, and the game is this. You have to figure out how to flow from one exercise to the other without stopping, without losing your form, without losing your precision, without losing your connections, without losing anything, okay? Anything. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so since we're working on flow for this particular video, okay, we're going to be having it on 2 springs, just 2 springs. So you will have just done your dance of the sticky mat if you were doing it in the repertoire, order of the repertoire, and then we're going to take our sticky mat over to here like so. From here, then we're going to take our seat into our position. So coming on, take it around, you know what to do. Okay, let the challenge commence. All right, here we go. So you're on your 2 springs. You got your sticky mat in place. You got your feet on your foot bar. You got your elbows nice and wide. You got your heels lifted and your abs in and up. Okay, all right. So let's do a little bit of precision first, right? So we push out and we're gonna lower the heels under and up and in. So just do a little bit of precision, right? So you're gonna push out, keep those heels firmly connected, non-negotiable, okay? Heels firmly connected. Open those elbows, scoop your abs in and up, and then keep the heels connected. Resist the springs to come in. We push out, we lower the heels under, we lift the heels up, keep the heels connected. And we resist the springs as you come back in, okay? All right, okay? So, okay, let's go for a little bit of flow. So out, under, up, and in. On 1, lower the heels, lift the heels, keep the heels lifted. Find some rhythm, keep the control as you start to find the flow. That's important. Don't compromise your technique for flow, right? Make sure you keep a hold of your technique, your form, your connections, your space, your grace. It's one of my most favorite things to say. You'll even say that all the time. Space and grace. Okay, so I told you today is about trying to challenge you to see if you can find the flow without stopping. So this is just a little reminder. Let's move on. So then, we're going to take our hands behind. You can either for flat, you can have your hands on the shoulder blocks, lift and extend and open through your collarbones and your sternum. Keep those heels lifted and engaged, okay? Otherwise, if you prefer, you can have your fists down instead. So you see, for me, this is a little bit too far away because for flat, you want to have your shoulders stacked on top of your hips. So ideally, I would be here. However, I'm filming and if I do it like this, I start to lose my clothes. So I'm not going to do that, okay? I'm not going to do that. It's not that kind of a video, okay? So from here, I am going to put my hands back and I'm going to lift up the top of my elbows. Extend out through the sternum, over through the collarbones. Space and grace. Space and grace. Lower the heels under, lift the heels up. Keep everything connected and pull back in. All right, so you are squeezing your abs back in opposition. Resist the springs. Resist, 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 resist as you precision. Let's flow. Out and under and up and in. Okay, find your flow. Out, under, up, in. Keep those heels together. That is non-negotiable. Press out and under and up and in. Out and close the carriage all the way. Okay, 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 okay. And the next one is our reach, okay? So I'm going to take one hand up by my ear, the other hand up by my ear. Okay, all right. So my arms are informing my spine. Keep my heels lifted. Push out. Oh. And unlike me, try to keep your heels lifted. Okay, don't let the heels drop. Don't let the heels drop, okay? Ta-da! Adding on the twist. So we open, we open, we open. Expand out, reach, reach. Keep those heels lifted and up and over back in. Up and over. Twist, 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 twist. Rotate, keep the heels lifted, keep the heels lifted, keep the heels together. Over and in. One more. Keep it. Keep the heels together. Lift them up. Reach, reach. Opposition. Expanding. And over. Okay. That was your quick review. So here's the deal, guys. You're going to hit pause and let's see if you can figure out how to flow never ending between all of those exercises without stopping, without losing your form, without losing your precision, without losing your technique, without losing all that good stuff. Okay. Hit pause. Come and see me in 5 minutes. Okay, enough. 5 minutes is up. Let's get to it. Challenge has begun. I challenge you. Okay, this is how I like to do it. This is how I like to do it. Okay, let's see if you were on the same lines as me. There's not really a wrong way. You just need to find out where within the movement you can transition without stopping, without losing everything you've been working on, right? So here we go. Challenge has begun. All right, here we go. So let's just pretend that this one is my last round. Okay, so I'm under. Now, personally, I like to transition as I come in. So I squeeze with my abs, I resist the springs, and I transition. Okay, then I don't stop, of course. So I push it out, I come under, I come up, and I come in. Let's pretend this is my last one. Okay, as I come in, I'm going to extend my arms, squeeze my abs back, resist the springs to inform my spine. My heels are lifted. I squeeze and I hug my midline. That's gonna negotiable. We come in. And then of course, we go then into twist. And then we come back in. Okay, that's how I like to transition between the four without stopping. So without further ado, let's do it.
Crash like a wave. Love is only for the brave. Put me under, then you say. Got me lost inside your waves. You make me crash like the waves. Heart so wild, can't behave. Still I dive, still I stay. Cause love is only for the brave. Sunset glow on your face. Every smile put me in a daze. You got that calm in your eyes.